What's up, crypto community? Welcome back to KDA Capy, your go-to spot for all things Kadena blockchain. If you're ready to learn, grow, and explore the Kadena ecosystem with us, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're zooming into the KDA USDT chart, and it's showing some patterns that could be a launch pad for bullish moves. But before we jump in, a quick but important note. This is not financial advice. We're here to educate and share knowledge, so make sure you do your own research before making any trading decisions. All right, squad, let's decode this chart. We've spotted a market structure shift, or MSS, in the weekly time frame. This is where the price trend could be flipping from bearish to bullish. It needs to stay above $0.812 by the end of this week to turn bullish, and it's got our antennas up. But one signal doesn't make a symphony, right? Let's look for harmony in these charts. Check out this weekly breaker. It's been acting tough, keeping the price from breaking through. Now we're seeing a retest. That's crypto for knock knock, who's there? If the chart breaks above 0.825 and stays above that, by the end of the week, we could see our next target at 135. For the bulls to take the stage, we need a weekly close above this breaker. We're talking about a clear green candle standing tall above the resistance. Moving up, we've got our take profit zones, TP1 and TP2. These are historical sell-off spots that might tell us where traders could take some gains. Now you might be wondering, when do we throttle up? Patience, my friends. We're looking for volume to back up our breakout. That's the rocket fuel we need. And don't forget, we want to see a pattern of higher highs and higher lows to confirm our journey to the bullish galaxy. Keep this in mind. The crypto cosmos is vast and volatile. So always navigate with caution, use those stop losses, and only invest what you can afford to journey without. If you enjoyed this chart review, give old Capy a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell for notifications. I'm always looking for new Kadena discoveries, so if you have any ideas, please leave me a comment. Let's make KDA Capy the place for all things Kadena. Until next time, keep exploring the Kadena blockchain.